Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some day and night vision binoculars. So we're gonna check these things out. The box is just totally opened up like that. I don't know, I think they forgot to put glue on it, but hopefully that's not a determination of the quality of the binoculars. But let's see, here's some instructions. I guess the how-to, just tells you how to clean the lenses and stuff and how to fold them and how it works, kind of right there. Comes in this nice little pouch. So let's open this up. Nice little cleaning cloth that comes with it. It's kind of cute. And these are them. So let's see how these look. Comes with a nice, that does not fit over my neck. But I guess it would be, well, might fit over there totally. But there we go. Let's see how it looks. Everything's blurry and super bright. But let's see if we can see this. I'm going to give this thing a try and see if I can put it right up into there. Bop, bop, bop. There's my beard. You can see my beard, so it does work. It zooms in. Let's see if I look at something. Whoa, there's the dog hair. Very close. Oh, doggy's so cute. So this is the binoculars. This is what it looks like here. I guess this is going to be some of the focus stuff. And it is. Check it out. Focuses when I turn it. So, and I guess that maybe there's the zoom. Maybe that's changing the zoom. I don't know. But this is what it looks like here. And I guess what else happens? This one here turns, I guess, to focus if your right eye and left eye are different than each other. Yeah, now it's totally messed up. And there it's right. So very cool. So that's how it looks. And so you can see me through it. What happens if you look through it the other way? Oh, there's my face very far away. So cool. These are neat little binoculars. So this is how they work. And cool, cute, very portable. They just stick them in a little bag and you're ready to go. So thumbs up for me on these. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.